Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Update Google Play services and Google Play games, then make sure your Android account is signed in. Next, check device time and time zone. Mismatches break token validation. Once done, force Stop Shadow Fight 2, clear its cache, and reboot the app. This removes stale credentials. Do those actions first because they resolve most token and sync errors quickly and set a clean state for the deeper fixes that follow. Now you dig into the complex fixes. Revoke Shadow Fight 2 permissions from your Google account and then reauthorize to refresh OAuth tokens. Make sure you sign in using Google Play games inside the app rather than external Facebook if you want cloud saves tied to Google. Also, disable VPNs, proxies, and aggressive battery optimizers because they interrupt background sync and token refresh. These steps renew credentials and restore the handshake between your account and the game server. To finish, reinstall Shadow Fight 2 only if prior steps fail. After reinstall, choose Google Play Backup to restore progress so you don't lose saves. If login still fails, try signing in on another device to determine whether the problem is account-related or device-specific. If you remain stuck, export the app error log and remove then re-add your Google account in device settings. This often regenerates authentication tokens. If none of this works, the one key troubleshooting tip is to test a different Google account to narrow the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.